Earn an impressive daily income of $10 to $100 just by playing this exciting game every day. Daily dollar income by playing. Only if you watch the video till the end to learn the tricks, and stay with me for the rest of the video so I can tell you how you can earn an impressive income no matter which country you're in. Hello to my dear friends. Welcome to a new video on earning dollar income with your mobile or computer. It doesn't matter. Now, let's get to our exciting video for today. As you can see, guys, pay attention. By playing on this platform, you can earn a lot of daily income. You download this game from Google Play. You had the site link or the game link for you. I have placed it in the description of this video. You just need to scroll down and check below the video to see and get the site link, and download the game from Google Play or the App Store. For the computer as well, guys, I will provide you with some explanations so that you can have an impressive daily income both on PC and mobile. As you can see, the game works like this. You need to throw the balls that are at the bottom upwards. Now you hit the similar balls with their matching ones, and for example you hit the balls that are similar to other similar ones with the rest. This way you can increase your level to earn a very good income through this game. We click on the rewards section, and through this you can solve various rewards daily and double or triple your income. In the spin section, guys, you can spin your wheel of fortune daily. It allows you to spin up to 7 times, and by using that section you can experience an awesome dollar income and increase your earnings more and more. At the top section, it shows you the amount of income you have earned from this platform. So far, with just 2 clicks, I have earned $1.20 from this game. You can use the store section, which is a part where, for example, you can make in-app purchases for yourself. However, I do not recommend doing this. To withdraw, you click on the wallet option on the right, and through this you can use your PayPal account. And with a minimum withdrawal amount of $10, you can make your withdrawal from this site. You can easily deposit $10 into your PayPal account from this game in less than 5 minutes. If you want to learn how to operate in BA and recruit unlimited referrals through me, I definitely recommend you not to miss my future videos. You can help me by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I will continue the game in front of you guys to teach you how you can use these hearts, which you receive one every half hour, to earn much more income. Every half hour you receive 1 heart. If you encounter a problem in the game, you use your hearts and can extend the game by giving 1 heart each time. See, now I'm using the balls at the bottom to target the balls at the top, and I connect each ball with its matching color. Blue with blue, purple with purple, green with green, until these balls are finished and the timer at the top runs out, and I can increase my income. And the more balls you can target and hit, the more daily dollar income you can earn. This is one of the amazing methods I recommend to you. Definitely use this method. Also, by clicking on the profile option, you can change your name and a lot of cool things happen. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.